Hey guys, and welcome back. I know it's 10 p.m., but I don't have all day, but we're going to be looking at Windows Terminal. When Windows Terminal probably came out in 2018 or 2019. I don't know when it came out, but we're going to go ahead and open it. That's weird. It came out with an error. I'm probably going to have to deal with that because I tried to fix some things, but if y'all can't run as an emulator, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to really do something about it? Oh, just change back to its normal self after I restarted it. So let's go ahead and do this. So CD, you gotta type in this, and then UPnC C drive users. So let's do CD again with 2 dots. No. 2 dots again, then just put CD Windows. Then just hit CD SYSTEM. No spaces. And now you're on the System32 file. So PS, how to switch apps though? This is a weird glitch. It's a weird stuff that I could do with PowerShell. So just hit CMD, then it'll just load up CMD without opening up another window. So you cannot open up Ubuntu sadly with the CMD stuff, but you can open up So here we go. Oh, I made it small for a minute. I gotta restart the app. You want to edit the file because you don't want to see that error all the time. Then just go to settings. It'll take you to Virtual Studio. I accidentally messed up while doing something. So we're gonna go ahead and load up Virtual Studio 2017. You see, I can fix that. Gonna bring the window down. You see that you don't see the window because my thing is still loading. It's loading for the second screen on my computer. So I gotta bring that down just a second. Just it's opening the file. It's gonna open a JSON file, and then we're gonna take this down. And now we're gonna fix the settings that I messed up. I kinda messed up on Kennebell. Oh, I forgot hashtag. Don't always forget. Don't forget the hashtags. So that's what I did wrong. And now it's asking to load up. And now we're gonna press yes. And see if that solves the problem. Yeah, it does solve the problem. So make sure you put a hashtag when you're coding. It's called coding. You have to code to order to change the settings. I already know how to code because I'm actually kind of smart. Because I know about older computers like MS-DOS and everything. I just watch a lot of YouTube videos. That's why I made this YouTube channel. What about you? Without somebody help me to make a YouTube channel, I will never make a YouTube channel. Ever. But I'm glad I'm doing a YouTube channel. Thanks for 12 subscribers. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure to like some of my videos. You get like 4 videos. And leave a like in this video. This kind of took me forever. It took me kind of forever to do the jailhouse version, but it failed to do. So I got the preview version. So how to change it? It'll tell you for you. So for example, you want to change it to one of these colors. You can put the name 1/2 dark. It'll just change it to 1/2 dark. Then you go down. Just copy the commands and paste it right there. So that's how you code. It'll tell you for you that you can just paste it right in. So it'll tell you what to do. This is examples, and this is what it's currently using. That's blue. All of it's just blue. So let's go ahead, just minimize that. And now if I load up on Bunu, it loads up on Bunu but blue. So you want to give it errors, check your settings in Visual Studio, and then you can check for problems of the color. There's kind of error that it cannot read something. So let's go ahead and exit the settings icon. Alright, go ahead and exit the settings. So you have the problems that you cannot go to Emister. Well, you can do this. You can go to any drive. It's kind of like annoying. You're gonna have to do that, but it's the only way to go to System 32. No spaces, please. There it is. You're already in CLS. So you have to do this every time, which is annoying. So you can just mess with all this stuff. That you cannot go to Emister. So CD. I'm sure you could do this. Oh, CD. Just keep doing that until you get this. And CD, Windows, then CD, SYSTEN, no spaces. And there you go. You're gonna have to do this every single time. CLS. That's to clear the whole thing. So we're gonna get rid of PowerShell. This is the current one. And help. Then we can just go to Windows PowerShell. It always opens up PowerShell, so I mean that's fine. You can add the settings when the startup. On the startup. I'd rather do CMD. So how to change the startup and what it starts up with. So we're gonna go back to Visual Studio. You're gonna have to download Visual Studio in order to edit, or else you cannot edit the JSON file. So it tells you what it starts with. 44B, 44BF, 44BF. So that's the current one. 44BF, 44BF. And now we're gonna copy this whole thing. Control C, and that's CMD EXE. So we're gonna go ahead and just delete all this and Control V. Now you got the default profile, and now you can just save it. You could probably do that. I ain't sure. Oh, you can. So after I exit and come back, it should be CMD. Yeah, CMD. So you can just change it. That's kind of easy. It opens up CMD every single time. And now we're gonna have to go to PowerShell. You go to PowerShell to Control Shift 1. And now we change everything. We can customize it. They may do some couple fixes. They may do some fixes and updates of the Windows terminal. I don't know what's that sound. Log out. There's the log out option. And now it opens up CMD instead of PowerShell. You don't want to open up PowerShell, then you can just open up something else instead of PowerShell. I don't know what PowerShell is. Just PS. But I'd rather do cmd.exe. Windows Terminal Preview is very useful to me. I would use this all day. So let's go ahead and launch CMD. You want to hit CMD. WT? What? What's WT? Whoa, it just opens up another thing. CMD. CMD doesn't look that different. We can make it look the same as. So, CMD was kinda easy. The terminal, it can make it look the same. Kinda this bluish or something. Kinda this bluish. Like the capacity. Colors. Make it blue. Why does it change? Whoa. It did change. I get it now. System text. Then change it back to white. Okay. not gonna be like this for the rest of the terminal. 30 Ashley Windows Terminal. I guess so. It opens Windows Terminal. That's weird. Or you can just type in Windows Terminal. It's right here. You can run it as an administrator. You can just uninstall, rate a review. I see a lot of reviews that said it's bad, it's good, and it's awesome. Some people say it's bad, but it works for me. If somebody said 1903 don't work, it actually does. You probably messed up your computer or something. Because it works for me, because I'm version 1903. I'm not lying. So if I just click the settings icon, it's right here. And we're gonna go and we can load. Sorry, my computer is very slow. It will not click on it. I guess I'll just click on update and security. Then we're gonna go to. I'm probably just gonna. I don't know how to go to the probably system and about. There it is. I'll check you what I'm on right now. So let's go down. I'm on 1903. Oh, it's built. So I'm on 1903. What happened? Oh, there's 1903. So I'm seriously on 1903. I did have Windows 10 Pro the whole time. I did just show y'all. So we'll just get out of here. You can just edit everything. It's just a good terminal. It's a good start. So anybody beginners will probably just use terminal. I used terminal yesterday. It was great. I couldn't believe it. But it's actually a real terminal. So y'all saying it doesn't work. It works for me. By the way, my computer has a headphone jack, so I just plug in my headphones for a minute. Because I'm always wearing my headphones every single time. And now I just plug in my headphones. Every time I'm making a video, I put on some headphones because I don't want to hear some loud noises or something. But this is all I can show you. There's nothing else to show you. Here's the OS build. I'm at the version. Here's the version. And by the way, I changed my background to this. I try to make a little upgrade because I'm tired of the background and all that stuff. You can go to feedback, settings, and all of these CMD stuff. So it's nice making this video. Hope y'all enjoyed my Windows Terminal video. It was only 19 minutes. But I'll just make a comparison of the terminal versus the real deal. I mean versus CMD. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I need to be more specific. I need to be more specific. So we're just gonna go ahead and minimize that, and we're gonna pop up the terminal, which I closed. It comes up with a little small window. Put in command prompt. I just put it in different spots, so you can just do this. I think Windows Terminal is better than the normal terminal, which is command prompt. So PowerShell.exe. No spaces. Now we're in PowerShell. It's kind of the same, but you don't have to open up a bunch of programs at the same time. It's kind of annoying. Like PowerShell. PowerShell.ie or something. You don't have to open up a lot of programs. So I'm about to open up PowerShell ISE. I don't know what is that, but I'm just gonna open it up and see what that is. Whoa. That's like something different. I need to close the program. We need to go to the original PowerShell. So PowerShell 86, but I'll just open up the normal PowerShell. And then I'll just do this. I have a bunch of stuff open. Let's get terminal out here. You don't have to open up a bunch of windows like this on Ubuntu. This gives you not enough room to hit all your stuff. You don't have to open a bunch of windows. Everything will be in the way. Windows Terminal solves all that by just combining all this into just one program. That's what Windows Terminal is. Windows Terminal is, it combines all this into one program. Like Windows Terminal, it just opens up. You can just go through tasks. It's kind of like Google Chrome, but it's kind of like Google Chrome, but in CMD way. It's kind of like your normal web browser. You can just go switch through stuff. What I want them to fix is make a longer thing, because when you're picking a bunch of programs, you can't really do anything. You cannot move anything. You cannot scroll down. So you have to pick EXIT, EXIT, EXIT. You're gonna have to pick EXIT. You have to pick EXIT, exit every single time you're on a program. So that's kind of annoying. I want them to fix that. I want Microsoft to fix that. hope they can fix it. And yeah, that's what the Windows Terminal is. I had some fun with this. And that's the way to go to System32 or as Emister. That's the only way to do it. You're gonna have to do that every single time. It's kind of annoying, but I mean, it's fine. You see, I move my screen for no reason. I didn't know I could do this, but you see, I have another screen open, and let's go ahead and just close it. But I'll see y'all later. Subscribe and like. I have nothing else to show you about the preview. I'll see y'all later. I don't know what to say. Bye.